one of the tricky questions some of my students struggle with, especially this last part where area of DCX has to be found. Let's quickly go through the question. The first part says, complete this statement. Triangle ABX is dashed to triangle DCX. Okay, so if you take a look at the two triangles, all their corresponding angles are equal. This angle would be equals to this angle because they make alternate angles. This angle would be equals to this angle, but that's also another set of alternate angles. And then this and this, they would make vertically opposite angles. So since all three angles are equal, ABX is similar to DCX. Part B, work out the length of BX. So now we need this length. Okay, we already know that ABX is similar to DCX. So we can form ratios AB over DC is equals to BX over CX. I'm just following the alphabets here, and equals to AX over DX. Okay, so I have AB, which is 6. I have DC, which is 12, is equals to BX is what we need. BX over CX would be 8. Cross multiply 6 times 8 divided by 12, that gives 4. So BX equals 4. This is 4 centimeter. Okay. Let's find AX in the process as well because we'll be needing it later. So I'm going to find AX over here as well. So we have equals AX over DX, which is 7. So now you cross multiply 6 into 7 divided by 12, which is 3.5. So that's 3.5. Okay. Next, it says find the area of triangle ABX when the area of triangle DCX is given. So we use ratios of areas in similar triangles, which is A1 over A2 is equals to L1 over L2 whole square. If A1 is the bigger triangle, that is 26.906, and area of ABX can be called X, equals a length of the lower bigger triangle, which is 12, over a corresponding length in the upper triangle, which is 6, and then you whole square it, and then you solve it to get X. We have 26.906 divided by X equals 144 over 36. Cross multiply, so 36 into 26.906 divided by 144, which gives 6.7265. Okay. Last part, which some of the students find confusing, is find area of triangle DCX. So we need the area of this triangle. Okay. Now notice it's not similar to the triangle whose area is given to us. These two triangles are not similar. Instead, they have a common height. So let's say this would be the height for both the triangles because their bases are like adjacent to each other. So they will have a common height. Sorry, the height would look somewhat like this. So they share a common height. Now, when that's the case between two triangles that their bases are adjacent to each other and they share a common height, then the formula you use is A1 over A2 is equals to just base 1 over base 2. There's no whole squaring here. The logic behind it is that area A1 would be half times base times height, and the area A2 would be half times base times height as well. Since height is common, they get cancelled, and since half and half is saved, it gets cancelled as well. So you're only left with base 1 over base 2. Okay, so if A1 is the area of the given triangle, that would be 26.906 divided by A2 would be X equals base 1 would be 7 divided by base 2 would be 3.5. So divided by 3.5. And then that's it. You cross multiply and get x. That would be 26.906 into 3.5 divided by 7. That's 13.453. Instead of base 1 and base 2, you could also use the ratios here. This is 1:2. So this would also be 1:2. So you could use 1 here and 2 here directly. That would work as well.